All right, so after you guys finish up your SketchUp tutorials, you're going to go into SketchUp and start making your cabin. You open up SketchUp, you'll say start using SketchUp here on the bottom right. Drag this guy in and maximize it. Okay. Now you'll notice that when SketchUp starts off like this, okay, we've got our green area to work within. We got down here a little toolbar area that declares the size of things that we've got. We're going to start off by sketching out our outline of our floor plan. Now if you're just doing a rectangular shaped thing, that's really easy for you to create your floor plan. Make sure that when you are doing this, just like in AutoCAD, you want to have exact measurements. So type in the measurements, don't just get them close. So if I'm doing my cabin right here, I'm going to go 20 feet, 40 feet, and get exactly a 20-foot by 40-foot rectangle. Once I've got that 20-foot by 40-foot rectangle, or whatever size your cabin is going to be, I'm going to offset that using the offset tool, 6 inches. Okay. From there, I'm going to start drawing all of my interior walls. So if I've got an interior wall over here with a bedroom being 10 foot by 10 foot, come in 10 feet, 10 feet, gets me exactly a 10 foot by 10 foot bedroom. Same thing over here. Offset these walls 4 inches for our interior wall thickness. And we've got our interior walls. Now you'll notice that where we've got 2 interior walls here and an interior and exterior wall here, we've got essentially a 10-inch wall and an 8-inch wall, which we don't want. So we're going to create some lines to help get rid of these walls. We'll draw a line right here, a line right here, and a line right here, which will allow me to get rid of these lines, and then I'm also going to get rid of these lines in here that connect the walls. And then finally draw one line over here, close that part off. Once I've got all of my walls all drawn and all connected, I'm going to raise them all up together using the push-pull tool 10 feet. After that, I'm going to raise my floors up 1 foot. Okay. Now that I've got my floor and my walls in place, it's time for me to start making the openings for my doors and for my windows. To create my doors, I'm just going to simply draw a line over whatever the distance would be along the bottom. And that'll give me an endpoint to create my door. Coming up my 80 inches, across my 36, and back down 80 inches again. Okay. Once I've got that, I'm going to push-pull this until it says on face along that back part, and then I click, and that should make an opening. If I'm having a hard time getting that to go into place right there, I can always push this beyond whatever the wall thickness is, and I can tell it the thickness of the wall. So pushing this beyond the wall, typing in 6 for 6 inches, and that should create the same thing there. If I'm struggling with getting a door on an interior wall, obviously I'd want to make that one be 4 inches for that. Okay? Once I've got this all done, I'm going to start painting my walls and my exterior using the paint bucket, and I'm going to apply whichever type of material that I'm looking for these things here. So say that I want to put wood flooring in. Now I've got wood flooring in. Go with colors, and we can make a neon pink bedroom or a neon pink wall. Okay.